In order to use the alpha map setting, you're going to need two images. So when we drag the alpha map up here and in our alpha map properties here in the upper right, you can see that it's waiting for an image. How this works is that we actually need another image on the container. So we'll jump back into our folder here. We'll just find a picture to use. So we'll drop this up on our container here. Now, normally you would see that picture, but because it's on the alpha map, it's not showing up. It's still waiting for another image. So this image box in the upper right means that it's waiting for a black and white or alpha image. And if we come into our folders and find a black and white image, we can just slide it up into this box here. And now you can see that that image shows up in the scene editor window. So we need to come down here and we'll change our texture coordinates to full. And you can see that it now changes this object. What's happening here is that we have the picture on this container, and this black and white image is cutting a hole in that. So within the alpha map settings, we have a couple of things here. We have the X size, so we can make the X size of this image a little bit bigger. We can also adjust the Y size of it as well. So if we want to come and fill the screen a little bit more with this picture, we can just come into the scaling setting here. We'll jump back into the alpha map, and we also have a texture offset. So I can slide this over and can see how this white circle is showing through on this image. We also have a Y offset, and you also have a texture X width and a texture Y width as well. So if you want to swap out some images to see what different effects could be, you could. And if the image does not carry a proper white and black value, then nothing will show up here, as you can see from that image there. And to get the effect that you want, it may just require a little experimentation with the particular image you're using and the settings of each property.